In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a community post on YouTube on mobile. So what you need to do, you need to open up the YouTube app and be logged into the channel you want to create a community post for. Then go to your channel icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then it will take you to your channel. It's most likely going to take you to the homepage. Now before, you had to have 500 subscribers to make a community post, but now there is no minimum and anyone can do it. So head over to the community section. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and click on this box which says share a sneak peek of your next video. So click on that. It will then open up this window, and here we've got some settings which I'm going to cover now. Now you've got images down here on the bottom, and it's going to show you your recent images, and you can scroll through them and add any image which is relevant. If you click on the text box, you can then type out any text which you want to share. You can also go to the poll icon in the bottom left hand corner, and you can go ahead and create a poll. Not only can you do that, you can also add a questionnaire kind of thing, like a quiz. So you can create a poll, you can create a quiz. I'm going to remove these though by clicking the trash can icon. Now people can actually comment and reply to this community post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask a question. So I'm going to ask that. What are you struggling with regarding your YouTube channel? Now you can also make this a poll and put like predetermined answers like I just shown you, and you can add images as well, but I'm just going to keep it as text. If you go to the top right, you've got the clock icon. You can schedule this to go out. So maybe you want to post this as an update for a video and you can schedule it. If you want to just post it now though, click on post in the top right hand corner. It's going to then make that post to your community tab. Then people can go ahead and reply to this if they see it. Now they should see it in their feed and they can then reply to it and interact with it. This is a great way to interact with your fans. I hope this video did help you out.